Let's take a look at modeling decimal division by using hands-on manipulatives as well as representations. We're going to divide 4 and 65/100ths into 3 equal groups. Each flat is representing one whole. Break apart that one whole and turn it into 10 tenths. Now we can divide all of our tenths into the 3 equal groups. And now I'm left with 15/100ths. And 15 divided by 3, I know I can put 5/100ths into each group. And then my quotient is the value of one of the groups, which is 1 and 55/100ths. We can also draw that same concept of what we just did with those base 10 blocks. And be sure to have your students label their representations. Here I'm able to make one group of 3 out of my 4 wholes. So now we're dividing our tenths into groups of 3, and I was able to make 5 groups of 3 tenths. And then I am left with a tenth with 5/100ths, which is also 15/100ths. Now we can go ahead and group our hundredths into groups of 3. A foundational part to dividing decimals would be to relate dividing whole numbers to dividing decimals. We're still wanting to relate those division concepts that we do with whole numbers, however now we're using it for fractional parts. If you're wanting to use partial quotients, then using an area model would be a great representation of that concept as well. This way can help students with that place value of decimals when they're dividing. And the more representations, the better, so that way students understand what is actually happening when they're doing the long division algorithm with decimals.